Welcome back to our channel. Have you ever thought that what are the psychological changes that occur in the body when we consume clove water at night? When we consume clove water at night, it can lead to various psychological changes in the body. The active compounds in cloves interact with our body system, resulting in relaxation, improved digestion, respiratory support, and other potential benefits. These changes can positively affect our health during and after sleep. Understanding the psychological effects of consuming clove juice at night can provide insight into its benefits for overall health. In this video, we're going to introduce 10 of the most important effects of clove water consumption on the body, which you will be surprised to know, so stay with us until the end of the video. 1. Improved digestion. Clove water can aid digestion by stimulating the production of digestive enzymes, reducing bloating, and relieving indigestion or gas that may have accumulated throughout the day. 2. Soothing and relaxing. The warm and aromatic nature of clove water can have a calming effect on the body and mind, promoting relaxation and better sleep quality. 3. Respiratory relief. Clove water, when consumed at night, can help ease respiratory issues such as coughs, colds, or congestion, allowing for clearer breathing during sleep. 4. Dental health. Clove water can contribute to oral health by reducing bacteria in the mouth, freshening breath, and alleviating toothaches or gum pain that may interfere with a good night's rest. 5. Anti-inflammatory effects. Clove water contains compounds with anti-inflammatory properties which can help reduce inflammation in the body, potentially benefiting conditions such as arthritis or muscle soreness. 6. Immune support. The antimicrobial properties of clove water can strengthen your immune system, helping to ward off infections and supporting overall health. 7. Improved blood circulation. Clove water may help improve blood circulation due to its potential vasodilatory effects, ensuring adequate blood flow to the extremities while you sleep. 8. Pain relief. Clove water's analgesic properties can provide relief from pain, including headaches, muscle aches, or joint discomfort, allowing for a more comfortable night's sleep. 9. Stress reduction. The aroma and calming properties of clove water can help reduce stress levels, easing the mind and promoting relaxation before bedtime. 10. Hydration. Drinking clove water at night can contribute to your overall hydration, helping to maintain proper bodily functions and ensuring optimal sleep quality. Remember, individual responses may vary, and it's always a good idea to consult with a healthcare professional before incorporating any new beverage or supplement into your nightly routine, especially if you have any underlying health conditions or take medications. Are there any potential side effects or risks associated with drinking clove water at night? While clove water is generally safe to consume, there are a few potential side effects and risks to be aware of. 1. Allergic reactions. Some individuals may be allergic to clove or its compounds. If you experience symptoms such as itching, rash, swelling, or difficult breathing after consuming clove water, do not continue using and seek medical attention. 2. Gastrointestinal issues. Drinking excessive amounts of clove water or consuming it on an empty stomach may lead to gastrointestinal discomfort, including heartburn, nausea, or diarrhea. It's best to consume it in moderation and with food if you're prone to digestive issues. 3. Blood thinning effects. Clove contains eugenol, which has mild blood thinning properties. If you're taking blood thinning medications or have a bleeding disorder, consuming large quantities of clove water may increase the risk of bleeding. 4. Drug interactions. Clove water may interact with certain medications such as anticoagulants, antiplatelet drugs, and diabetes medications. If you are taking any prescribed medications, it's important to consult your healthcare provider before regularly consuming clove water. 5. Pregnancy and breastfeeding. Pregnant and breastfeeding women should exercise caution when consuming clove water. While small amounts in cooking are generally safe, excessive intake or medicinal use should be avoided as it may have adverse effects on pregnancy or breastfeeding. 6. Dental sensitivity. Clove water, if consumed in large quantities or for an extended period, may cause dental sensitivity or irritation due to its strong flavor and potential numbing effect. Always remember to drink clove water in moderation and listen to your body. If you have any concerns or pre-existing health conditions, it's best to consult with a healthcare professional before incorporating clove water into your nightly routine. Before finishing this video, I invite you to watch our video about 10 health benefits of consuming clove tea every day. Like always, if you have any questions or suggestions, we're here to answer them in the comment section. Thank you for watching, and be sure to like, subscribe, and share this video with anyone you think it could be helpful to them. I'll see you soon.